If your 2014 Ford Focus has a check engine light for code P0171 and a rough idle, you have a physical hole in your engine intake system. You can pass your emissions test only if you find and seal the air leak that is letting extra oxygen bypass your sensors. This code means your engine is running too lean on bank 1, which is just a way of saying there is too much air and not enough fuel in the cylinders. When this happens, your car computer sees the extra air through the upstream oxygen sensor and reacts by adding exactly 15% more fuel to try and balance the mixture. You will feel a rough, cold start idle because the leak is worst when the engine is cold and the rubber parts have not expanded to seal the gap yet. This extra air makes the engine struggle, especially if you turn on the air conditioning, because that mechanical load drags down the engine speed even more. Your fuel economy will also drop by 3 or 4 miles per gallon, because the computer is constantly dumping extra gas to fix the lean condition. Many people think the sensor is lying and they spend money to replace the upstream oxygen sensor or clean the mass airflow sensor with aerosol spray, but those parts are usually working perfectly and just reporting the truth. The only way to pass inspection and set your readiness monitors is to stop the unmetered air from entering the system. To find the hole, you should connect a low-pressure smoke machine to the intake manifold or carefully spray carburetor cleaner around the rubber hoses while the engine is running. If the engine speed suddenly jumps up, you have found your leak. On these modern cars, a very common failure point is the positive crankcase ventilation hose. This small rubber tube often cracks or splits over time due to heat and pressure. If you find a cracked positive crankcase ventilation hose, replacing it is a simple fix that costs about $15 at most auto parts stores. Once that $15 repair is finished, it stops the lean condition and helps prevent soot from building up and plugging your expensive catalytic converter. After you install the new hose, your long-term fuel trims should return to 0%, and your idle will smooth out immediately. This is the right way to handle a P0171 code, instead of just throwing expensive sensors at the problem. Fixing the physical hole is the only way to get your car ready for the emissions test station. Ignoring this small vacuum leak will eventually lead to much more expensive exhaust repairs that can cost thousands of dollars. You should take a close look at your vacuum lines today to save your engine and keep your car on the road. If you do not fix it now, you risk burning out your valves or ruining the catalytic converter from the high heat of a lean burn. This simple check takes 10 minutes and can save you a lot of stress at the inspection station. Check your rubber hoses for cracks if your gas mileage is dropping. This simple fix keeps your car on the road and your wallet full. Most drivers can do this repair in their own driveway with basic tools. Do not let a $15 hose turn into a $2,000 repair bill. Look for the leak today. You can fix this problem yourself without a mechanic. Taking the time to inspect your intake manifold gasket and vacuum lines is the smartest move you can make for your Ford Focus. A simple visual inspection often reveals the crack in the rubber that is causing all your trouble. Once you see the smoke or hear the engine rev up from the cleaner, you know exactly what to buy. It is much better to spend $15 on a hose than hundreds on sensors you do not need. Your car will run better, your idle will stay smooth, and you will pass your test. Keep your engine healthy by sealing those leaks as soon as they appear. Check your hoses if your mileage drops.